See? Uh-huh.
You want to tell Miss Sharita how you don't like it? No, turn around.
I don't like it. No. Shamana. I don't want you to.
You want me to tell her how you're acting?
No, I'm not acting.
You're not acting anyway?
I'm acting happy.
You're acting happy?
Yes.
Oh,
I'm not.
you don't look happy.
I'm not looking. Morgan.
You're not looking?
No.
You sure?
Morgan, no.
You want to say sorry?
No.
You don't want to say sorry?
I'm sorry.
That's not a nice sorry.
Throw up. I'll eat it with my hand. If you don't give me a bullock. I'll eat it with my hand.
You say